Hello everyone, my name is Omoyera Oluwatosin. I'm a fashion designer based in Lagos. I'm also a YouTuber, a content creator, and your phone videography tutor. On the channel today, or on TikTok today, Facebook, Instagram, so I'm going to show you how to create. We are now open business. We are now open business posts using Canvas. Yes, like I said, if you are following me, I posted some app you need to download on your phone in 2026. These apps are very good if you are going into content for your brand, or as a comedian, or any platform that you or any, I said platform, these people should not mind me, or anything or skills that you want to evolve in this year. This app will help you create good content for your brand. So today, for this new business owner or existing business owner, so I'm going to show you how to create. We are now open business posts using Canvas. So I'm going to show you how I created this look from this to this. Okay, and if you are interested, please keep on watching. So it's still loading. I don't know why it's taking time. Oh God. So this is how your canvas is going to look like. You can see that you can use Canvas for many things. One for magic videos, ads, social media, customize size. You want to customize the size of your videos or your pictures, and you can see we have the ratio, the screen ratio here. If you want to post on Instagram story, this is the size they will use. Instagram post, Instagram reels, Facebook cover, Facebook story, mobile videos, and many more. So now today we are not even going to do all that. What we want to do is to create a design. So the design I created today was how to create. We are now open posts. Okay, I'm going to show you what I did and how I did mine, so you customize your own like that. So now you're going to come here, you're going to create. Now we want to create, just click on this search template. I don't want to go through the social media. You just click on social media, it will take you down to that side, but no, I don't want to do that. Let's go to create. You use the search button to type what you want. We are now open posts. So then the next thing you do, you click on search. So now this is what we have here. We are now open templates. You see the one that have crowns, it means that they are pro version. So if you did not upgrade your account to the pro version, you will not be able to, even if you are able to use it, by the time you download it, the owner, the person that designed that template, the watermark will be on the post or the video that you created, and which you will not like. So now you're going to scroll down. The one I use is we are going to look for it. So I'm going to scroll down to look for the one I use. I use one that has like pills. Okay, let me see. We are now open post. So I'm searching for the one that I used. This and that we are now open. This actually looks like something that I did, but it's totally different. I'm just meant that I will see the template that I used. That's why I'm just trying to scroll down. I hope so. Yeah, we got it. So this is the template I used. So now I'm going to click on it, and it's going to load. You can see Canva auto save design. So the moment you are designing anything on this, so we are trying to load the templates. A call came in. So let's wait. So it's now loading. Okay, this is what you are going to have, and this is what I have too. So what do you notice? We are now open post. We have the full design. Is it pills also at the side? I'm going to show you how to remove it and edit it so that you'll be able to use it for your own brand. Now the first thing you want to do, you want to remove this one that is there. So you just click on it. Thank God they are not joined together. This one, you can see the way I drag it. Immediately, let me go back. Immediately I click on it, you can see what happened there. It shows me the template that they use. You can see what we have here. So the next thing I want to do is I'm going to click on the delete button. I don't want it there. This one too. This is the one we want to use, so I'm going to drag it to one side and delete everything that I don't need here. And this one's here. I'm not sure if I need them. Okay, let me just delete. We don't need that. So this is what we need here. So I'm going to drag it back. Make sure you can see the line, the gradient line at the middle, show you that your post is now at the center. So I'm going to leave it there, and that's all. Now the next thing I want to do, I want to remove that what do you have there? Lorry and Co. Syria and Co. So I want to remove it. So you're going to click on this, and you are going to do what? You are going to delete as well. Now the next thing you want to do, you want to go to upload. You can upload file. As I don't have mine here, I'll just click on upload, and you say upload from your device or from Google Photos or from any place you have the photo in. So I don't want to do that because I already have the photo that I want to use, and which is my logo. I removed the background, and this is what we have. So this is my logo. I'm just going to drag my logo. You can use this button here, the dot on the side, to increase or decrease the text or logo that you have there. So I'm going to, since I have my logo here, I'm just going to come here, drag it, and make sure that it's at the middle like so. So if it's too big, I'm still going to continue to drag it. The next thing I want to do is add text. You go to where we have text, you drag this to where this is text. Now I don't want to use sub heading because it's going to be, so I'm going to use sub heading. I'm not going to use heading, just sub heading, because I want a smaller text. So I'm going to write More Fashion Academy. So now I have More Fashion Academy in between. So I'm going to drag More Fashion Academy to this place. Like I said, you can use the dot to increase or decrease. So I'm going to drag this dot down. You can see what we have here. Now I'm going to set it. I'm going to make sure that I set it and it's at the middle as well. So it's not at the middle. I'm going to drag it up so that it will sit below the M and O that we have there. Now the next thing I don't want to leave this thing plain like this. I want to add some elements so that people will know that this is a fashion brand. So you can add your own as well. So now I'm going to go to elements, and I'm going to search for what I want. Okay, I want scissors. So I'm going to type scissors. So we have different type of scissors. Like I said, the one that has crown, you cannot use it. It's only the plain ones that you can use. Okay, even if it's 3D and there is no crown beside it, you can do what? You can use it. So I have this one that, let's see, you can see all. So I'm going to click on photos. I want to use the one in photos. I want something very unique. Now see something like this. It's about fashion, so I'm going to bring it in. I don't want this. I want something that is like they've removed the background, so let's not use this. So let's go to element and search for scissors again. Search. So I'm going to search for scissors. So we have the scissors here. So I have scissors. Let us go to graphic, scissors. Yeah, this is the type I want. So I'm going to go through the scissors. I think I use something like this today. I just want something that there is not much of a drama. Like this now, like this needle that is entering the thread, you just click on it and now you bring it here. Okay, we have a needle that is entering the thread. I don't want it too big, I just want it sitting at the tip. So that's one element. I go again, I look for machine. So we have sewing machine, so I click on machines. So I look for the one that suits what I'm doing. I think I like this woman and there's no crown there, so we can use it. So I'm going to drag her, make sure that she is like very small and it's going to fit like I want something really small. Okay, so you're just using this element to design your posts. I go back there again and I look for something that I can use again. I'm looking for something that I can use again. This is a sewing machine which I can use. You see this two like commas, like two arrow faces each other. You can use the arrow to drag it like this, changing the direction the way the sewing machine is or the element that you pick is. So you are going to drag, see the way I did mine, I'm going to drag it like this so that it's just showing the head of the machine. Okay, now if you want more elements, you are going to just use it to design the edge. Let me just check for threads or elements. Let me go to thread or mannequins. Let's use mannequins. Okay, we have mannequins here. So this mannequins is okay. So I'm going to drag it like this and I'm going to place it at the side as if it's just hiding. Okay, so this is what you are going to have at the end of the day. If you are a food vendor or anything, you can actually do the same, but this content is for fashion designing designers. Okay, I hope you learned a thing or two from this video. The next thing, once you have what you need like this, the next thing you want to do is to come here and click on this arrow that is going up. What did he say? Download. So you click on download. I don't want it to be in video, so I'm going to go down. I want it to be in like pictures, so I'm using JPG. So I'm going to click on JPG and the size, I want the size the way it is. Then next thing I do, I download. And that was how to create we are open posts using Canvas. I hope you learned a thing or two from this video. If you do, please give it a thumb up, like and share my video. We are going to meet tomorrow. Bye. So you can see say save image. Even if it's not saved, you still be on your phone. I just click on save image. Now the image has been saved to my camera. Let's go to the camera and you will see it. So I'm going to click on photos and I'm going to click on this one. This is it. Now you can see we are open. Now you can now post this on your social media or any platform that you are using. Have a nice day and bye.